Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, organizational design. So last session we started that introduction about the organizational design. Now we are going to discuss in depth, right? So types of organizational design. It's nothing but there are different types of structures are there. So now we are going to discuss one by one. Functional structure. So everyone know about the functions. Its functions is nothing but different types of departments, HR, marketing, production, sales, like that. So a functional structure groups employees into different departments by work specialization. Each department has a designated leader, highly experienced in the job performance of each employee, supervised by them. This divisional structure. In a divisional organizational structure, the company is divided into different business units that have complete control of their budget, resources, and strategy, essentially acting as an independent company. So each division can have its own dedicated marketing, sales, and product and IT teams. So, for example, you can see the picture in that one CEO, you are having different regions. In the different regions, having different types of uh, functions manager, right? So they are having different structures, but everyone they are going to report to the one CEO. But you are having different in that region. You are having different managers, marketing manager, sales manager, product and IT team, right? So they have to control their activities. Next, matrix structure. A matrix structure is a combination of two or more types of organizational structures. A matrix organization is a company structure where teams report to multiple leaders. So it's a way of arranging your business so that you set up a reporting relationship as a grid or a matrix rather than in the traditional hierarchy. So now you can see the picture of that matrix structure, marketing, production, sales, HR, and finance, but you are having product A manager and product B manager. That is a matrix. So you're having that multiple leaders. So you have to, the team will be report to that multiple leaders. That is a matrix structure. This team-based structure, so everyone know team is nothing but coordination and coordination. A team-based structure is a management approach where work is organized around teams. So the team can perform their work, right? So rather than individual roles or departments. So each team is responsible for specific tasks or objectives, and members work collaboratively to achieve them. So that's only we are having that. You can see the picture. You can clearly understand about the team-based structure. Next, network structure. So everyone know about the network. Network is nothing but linking. So your network structure goes far beyond your internal company structure. It's the act of joining the efforts of two or more organizations to deliver one product or service. You can see the picture. It's a company core. It's a hub. It's a very important for that center of that company, and designed by a company in Canada, and accounts receivable by a company in the US, and distribution by a company in Europe, and manufacturing by a company in Asia, transportation by a company in Korea. So you're having the different network structures, but beyond your internal company structure. So it's a head office is the company core ICAP. So it's the act of joining the efforts of two or more organizations to deliver one product or service. That is a network structure. Next, hierarchy structure. Hierarchical organizational structure has a direct chain of command over from the top of the company to the bottom. That is the board of directors, CEO, and you are having the different managers, right? So senior management makes all essential decisions which are handed down to the lower level of management. That is a hierarchy, right? Top level, middle level, and low level. That is the hierarchy structure. So flat organizational structure. A flat organizational structure is a company with few or no hierarchical levels between employees. So flat in the sense it will be in the flat, so no hierarchy. So which means all that employees have essentially the same power and authority. So each employee they are having the same authority and power. They are going to take a decision. So the lack of hierarchy can be seen as positive attitude because it allows for more communication and collaboration between employees. Small businesses and startups frequently have an organizational structure that is flat due to their small size and no need for hierarchical administration. For example, if you're going to start up means it will be in very low level of their employees, and also you're having very, I mean that short business, I mean that small business and startups. So there is a small size, no need for the hierarchical administration. So every employee, they are having the authority and power to take a decision. So next we are going to discuss very important basic challenges of organizational design. So in that terminologies are very important. That is balancing differentiation and integration. So differentiation, everyone know about something, it will be indifferent. So differentiation is the process by which an organization allocate people and resources to organizational task and establishes the task and authority relationship that allow the organization to achieve its goals. So the process of establishing and controlling the division of labor, degree of specialization in the organization. So that is called a differentiation. So in the differentiation, the keywords are allocate the people and resources. So what are the forms of differentiation? Horizontal differentiation, differentiation by specialization, and vertical differentiation. So we will see one by one. Horizontal differentiation, we know about that horizontal is nothing but it will be in the flat structure. So horizontal, the way an organization group organizational task into roles and roles into subunits, functions or divisions. Differentiation by specialization, often referred to as a departmentalization. People with similar abilities working together on specialized task. So vertical differentiation, the way an organization design is its hierarchy of authority and create reporting relationship to link organizational roles and subunits. Next, integration. So integration, we know about that. It's a combining of the structure. So integration refers to way these organizational units interact with one another to coordinate their activities and often share their resources in order to generate the output that are necessary in order for the organization as a whole to achieve its goals and objectives. So balancing centralization and decentralization. So we are going to discuss in that next session. Thank you all. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.